Imagine a world where property management tasks no longer feel overwhelming. Meet the Copilot agent, a groundbreaking AI assistant designed to transform the way property managers, landlords, and tenants interact. Property management often involves juggling maintenance requests, payment processing, tenant communications, and administrative tasks. This complexity can lead to inefficiencies and frustration. Picture this: a tenant reaches out about a broken heater in the middle of winter. The Copilot agent verifies their identity, accesses their lease details, and logs a high-priority maintenance request in seconds. It notifies the tenant of the scheduled repair time, ensuring peace of mind and a swift resolution. Beyond just problem-solving, the Copilot agent empowers property management professionals to focus on what truly matters, building relationships and growing their business. Its integration capabilities extend across platforms, from mobile apps to company websites, making it an adaptable, scalable solution. By leveraging AI-driven insights and automation, the Copilot agent is redefining the standards of efficiency and service in property management. Experience the future of property management today with the Copilot agent at your side. Let HingePoint help with your AI initiative. We will collaborate with your team to guide the implementation of a custom AI solution tailored to your data and specific business needs. HingePoint is a consulting services company focused on the application of SharePoint through the use of best practices and proper enterprise architecture to bring increased business performance and collaboration for our clients. HingePoint has serviced well over 300 companies through our knowledge and expertise of how to make data valuable to decision makers. HingePoint's geographic reach spans coast to coast within the United States, across multiple industries, within the small, mid-sized, and large enterprise markets.